is why I don't really like skinny jeans anymore. Hi! It's been a while. Naisipan ko lang ulit mag-video kasi gumastos na naman ako. And this is the stuff I got. Ta-da! So I bought 5 pants and let's try it on. Actually, kaya ako bumili ng pantalon kasi naubos na talaga yung pantalon ko. Parang mga college, high school ko pa siyang pants. And the others are from my mom. Hinihiram ko na lang siya kasi my mom doesn't go anywhere. Lagi lang siya nandito sa bahay. So, might as well, ako na lang din yung gumamit, diba? So this is the first pants. I'm not really a fan of skinny jeans anymore, but parang option lang din kasi to for some outfits na kunwari hindi ba bagay pants on my top or whatever. Like, most of my pants need na paputulan kasi I'm short. I'm a short queen. All of them are too long for me. So this next one is actually for office. Also garterized in the back. Ayan, may garter siya. And then, again, medyo masyado siyang mahaba para sa akin. Hindi kita. But yeah, it's too long for me again. Ta-da! But I feel like if I'm gonna wear this with heels, feeling kaya isupport yung length. The other palazzo pants that I've had is medyo worn out na. And that's why I have to replace it. Like I said, lahat ng paramihan sa clothes ko are from my college days. So, this is a replacement for that. So yeah, I'm wearing a 3-inch heels. And kaya niyang isupport yung length ng pants. And it's actually comfy, pero manipis yung tela. Hindi ko in-expect na manipis siya. It's not that see-through, so I guess it's safe. I feel like this one is not gonna fit. Siguro lang din yung mga ng brand na to is maliit yung sizes. Kasi all that I got are medium, and then ito din medium, pero hindi siya mag-close. Ang ganda pa naman. It looks nice, bro. And then also the pocket, the fold here at the bottom. That's the design I'm looking for. And also, it's the right length. Kaso hindi siya kasha, which is sad. So, kinda have to return it. The fit is good. The fit is good actually. Yan o. Maganda yung fit, diba? Pero hindi kasha yung waistline. So, sayang. If I ever buy the large one, so lalaki yung waistline niya. Lalaki din yung fit ng legs. So, parang baka maging too baggy. I'm not sure. Ang ganda pa naman. Sayang. Anyway, wala tayong magagawa. Hindi siya nagkasya. Next. Tada! So, this one is actually one of the latest add-ons to my cart. So, parang nung in-add ko to sa cart ko, nag-check out na rin ako. It's actually just a jogger pants. Parang yung kapag kakunwari, tinatamad akong pumorma, ganyan. So, it is a parachute pants na 6 pockets. Actually, may string siya dito sa baba. Tama ba? It has these things na pwede siyang maging fitted dun sa baba. Pwede din siyang ganito elephant pants. Elephant pants. Like this. Dress down Fridays. So, ito pwede siya. It can be like this or like this. So, again, very comfy. Feeling ko waterproof din siya kasi yung material niya. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. So, may 4 pockets din siya. Alright! It's good. It's a good one. Sayang yung isa, nahinayang ako. This is why I don't really like skinny jeans anymore. I'm too old for this shit. This one is another variation of the first one that I tried on. So, yan. It fits. Pero kailangan ko pang makipagbuno para ma-fit yung sa leg part. It's actually nice. It's looking nice on my kulay. Ganda naman siya. Maganda naman yung fit. So, yeah. Another high-waist skinny jeans pants na katulad lang din yung isa ko. Maybe, this is the last time I'll ever buy skinny jeans. Kasi, ang hirap niya isuot and then ang init and then ang, bakit, why do you have to be skinny? Why do you have to be skin tight? So that is it for this video. See you on the next one. Bye!